Yes, sir. What's poppin' with everybody? Young Prodigy right here. You guys just saw me start up the Hellcat. You know what I mean? Another Sunday right now. We're gonna go link up with the homie Jason. We're gonna go link up with the homie Jason. We're gonna get into it. Malibu Market. You know what I mean? So we're gonna pull up over there, see what's poppin'. You know what I mean? See all the cool builds. You know what I mean? So it's pretty much just me and him, I think. Hellcat, Camaro SS, side by side. We're gonna be mobbing through these canyons. Well, guys, pulled up at the gas station. Jason's over there getting gas. You know what I mean? I'm gonna dust the kitty off before we take off. You know what I mean? She's looking all right today. You know what I mean? Beautiful day in California. We're gonna fill up right now, then we're gonna take off, baby.
We're ready for this shit.
Oh, we're ready.
We're ready.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Sir,
Another
yes,
day,
sir.
another day
Here. Thousand Oaks, California, heading to Malibu here in a bit.
Yeah.
Just working on some radio issues, but we'll be on the road. We'll be bombing, bro.
I'm a bad man, baby, I'm Jamaican. Yeah. Tonight we don't give a fuck. Tonight we don't really care.
Smurf. Well, we pulled up. We're trying to find parking. Thank you, brother. Thank you, man.
Can you rev it for me?
Oh, he wants me to rev it, but the cops are right there. No. Well, we made it. We're at the meet. Speedster.
That's so beautiful.
Fire, right?
Look at the interior, bro. Insane. On a GT3 platform, too.
Holy shit, guys, look what we just found. Straight sleeping kitty. He took off the Hellcat badge on the side and he put a carbon hood on it. Yeah. Fool's nasty, bro.
It's insane.
Insane.
Sleeper.
Sleeper kitty.
He'll put you to sleep.
Literally, too.
Oh, God. What?
Jeez.
That's crazy.
That is some crazy road rash.
Brakes.
Pulled up over here, I think it's Broad Beach. I don't know where we're at right now, but we pulled up along PCH, a little off-road right here, you know what I mean? PCH is up there, but yes, sir.
We out here, coastal California.
Coastal
deciding whether or not
yeah.
like, he's gonna get stuck, bro. Look at this shit. Look, it's just like kind of sunk in a little bit. Oh. You think I'll be able to pull out without dying?
Yeah.
You think so? Yeah. Maybe I could like start taking it out.
Sheesh, it's fucking hot as fuck out here. Kitty.
That I honestly didn't expect it to be this nice of weather today.
Yeah, it's pretty nice. But it's hot as fuck. No cap. Well, this is the aftermath of the car meets.
Yes, sir. You know the vibes out here.
Puffco Central.
710 Labs.
710 Labs.
You know the vibes out here.
Yeah.
Not sponsored. Not sponsored.
But sponsor us.
I mean, shit. You know.
Food.
Yes, sir.
Oh my god, this shit looks ridiculous. Big old burritos. We're at this spot right here. Los Dos Amigos.
Day.
I'm full as fuck.
Beautiful life.
Full as fuck. Stuffed.
Oh.
Oh my gosh, I ate too much food. Well, it's later in the night. I'm in the M3. I'm at my favorite BDS spot right here, San Marcos, right here in the valley, right off Woodley. I mean, but we're in the M3 right now. You see the M3 little icons glowing right now because it's at nighttime. Sheesh. Nah, but we out here about to grub again. It was a good ass day. You know what I mean? We went to Malibu Market. You know what I mean? Saw Howard. Got some food with Jason. Now I'm getting some bomb ass tacos right now. And it's just been a good ass day, guys. Honestly, nothing to complain about. Let me set you guys up right here. Hold up. Yeah, nothing to complain about. You know what I mean? Too blessed to be stressed. About to get this food real quick. You know what I mean? Let me show you guys what I'm working with. Let me show you guys what I'm working with. Oh, earlier than that. Sheesh. Yeah, that shit's busting. And I got the consomme to go with it. It's a must. So, that's pretty much it, guys. I'm gonna eat some food. I'm calling it a wrap for this video. Make sure you tap it in. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment, all that stuff. So, I'm out of here, baby.